Good day everyone. I will be sharing to you the Charles Tyrwhitt brown wingtip shoes, which you can buy here in the Best Finds. So, ayan po siya. Ayan, okay. So, these shoes is best for formal events. So, ganyan po yung kanyang leather. Pakita natin isa. Yan. Alright. So, ganyan po yung kanyang finish. So, tignan natin sa close up. Okay. So, ayan po. Ayan po siya. Ito po yung kanyang sole. So, leather sole po siya. Tawagin. So, very classical in construction dahil ito po ay true Goodyear welted shoes. And kung makikita nyo, yung stitch po on this side, ayan po, yung stitch na yan is actually tagusan dito sa kanyang sole. Okay? So, this is one of the remarkable thing in a Goodyear welted shoes. Trademark po yan ng Goodyear welted shoes. So that stitch is traversing on this part. So yung design na yan, hindi lang po siya basta-basta design unlike the other shoes na mabibili nyo sa malls ngayon, no? So yun po yung close-up review natin. So sa inside part, sa insole, so you can see here, ito yung kanyang leather. And kung makikita nyo yung kanyang tongue, pakita ko yung tongue. Yan. So, ayan po, no? So dito pa lang, I can say and I can show to you, you can see na yung leather niya is makapal, thick leather po ang ginamit sa kanya. Hindi po siya basta-basta leather na manipis, na pinatungan ng thick cloth, unlike yung mga nakikita natin sa mall ngayon. Okay? So this kind of shoes, if makakita kayo sa mall neto, please tell me the price, because this one, if you can check in Charles Tyrwhitt website, this will cost you around 9,000 pesos to 12,000 pesos. And hindi pa kasama yung shipping fee doon. I believe it will came from Europe or somewhere there's a manufacturer from India or England. So actually this shoes is made from India. So you cannot go wrong with these shoes. It's nice. It's a nice collection para po sa ating lahat na mahilig sa smart casual na outfit. So actually this one you can easily pair it in your dark jeans and also on your slacks, dark slacks. So yan po. So again, this shoes is very limited na sa sizes in our stocks. So right now we have 8 UK to 12 UK na size, but very limited na po ang number of pairs na meron kami. So if you want to try this one, this will just cost you around an amazing price of 3,500 pesos. So panalong panalo po, kasama na po doon ang shipping fee. Okay, so maganda po siya and it's a great value to your money, no? So, yan po. Okay, once again, thank you very much in watching my review on this kind of shoes. So, if you have inquiries, you can directly send us messages in TheBestFinds FB page. So, thank you very much and have a nice day.